Hey everyone, this is Fan. Today I'm back with another Blackpink inspired makeup tutorial, and I decided to do Jisoo's makeup look in Lovesick's music video. I'm sure you know the song, right? Alright, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and let's get started. First of all, I'm going to do the base makeup first. Since it's gonna be a smoky eye makeup, so I'm gonna make sure to apply some concealer around my eyes. And then let's continue with the face contour. I think I really need to lose some weight because my face looks so big in the camera now. Okay, next, for the eyebrows, I'm going to use eyebrow powder to create a natural eyebrow look. For the eye makeup, I'm going to apply the base color first by using a big eyeshadow brush like this. And then I'm going to apply a shimmer army green eyeshadow onto my eyelid. And then I'm gonna mix it with a warm gray eyeshadow like this. And next I'm gonna apply a little bit of blue color and blend it evenly. Next I'm gonna apply black eyeshadow as the eyeliner and also apply it around the outer V and blend it inwards evenly. And use smaller brush to apply the eyeshadow onto the lowermost line. Now I'm gonna rim my eyes with a black cream liner to make it look more fierce. Next, I'm gonna apply a highlighter onto the inner corner of my eyes, just between the eye and the nose. Next, I'm gonna finish off the eye makeup. And this mascara is really good for the level lashes anyway. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of color onto my cheeks so that it won't look too pale. And a little bit of highlighter onto the bridge of the nose. And last, for the lips, I'm gonna make a glossy coral nude lips just like Jisoo's lips for this makeup look. And the makeup is done. This is the finished look. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to click the bell button to get the new notification. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!